Today, we're diving into an exciting double edition car adventure with Squaregles. Are you ready for a quest that's both adventurous and educational? Let's hit the road. For this epic journey, all you need are Squaregles, some chalk crayons, and your trusty car. Get ready to write down double edition problems on the tiles. It's like paving the way to your adventure. As you set out on your double edition car adventure, you'll encounter a series of challenges. To move your car through each one, you've got to answer each double edition problem correctly. It's like solving math puzzles on the go. Whether you're adding numbers or mastering the art of double addition, this quest is a fantastic way to make math fun and engaging. It's hands-on, creative, and an adventure in learning. So why not rev up your engines and embark on the Squaregles double edition car adventure? It's an opportunity to turn math into an epic journey that your kids will love.